Your time.
6 o'clock. Alright. So we are in Waterhouse. As you can see on the road. Whole heap of water. Many water. Many water. So we're here to deliver to one of our good customer, Alton. This is the boss. Them say him run the place, I don't really believe we're here what him say. You know go so? Alright. What's the shop name?
JFC, my name is after my son.
Alright.
JV and fried chicken, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have no chicken ready?
Yeah, man, we have some.
Leg on time, I think, there, you know?
Yeah, man, right. No,
Yeah, man, you have to line up. 7 bills, one that.
Yeah,
Up,
man.
I want a leg on tie.
No
We
problem.
need a leg on tie.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the service though? 'Cause I noticed you've been always using. You've been with us
Yeah.
for a while.
But a year now, I think I something like something. I'm not really sure. But
So it must be working.
after
Tell me about it. Tell me what your experience.
alright, my experience with it still, I want most of love. I like how you can come and sit down and drop
Yeah.
this in my hand. I'm not forgot. No way.
Right.
Package come right at my foot. Pay for the goods, them it's at cheap price, decent. Everybody can work with and things. So you can invite other people to come along from boat too and
Yeah.
try it. You see me? So,
I guess there's nothing left for me to say.
yeah.
He said cheaper than the others,
Yeah.
reliable, convenient. I'll leave it right there. Now it's time for you to come and join us. This is how we do it at this company when it comes to delivery. Hey, watch the little one with the pom pom. A long time I don't see a pom pom. Watch her. No man, she alright man. You can dance? You can dance? Throw the pom pom, let me see.
Put the camera on them.
Cheeky and dab dab. Them gone. Anyway, that is how we do it on the delivery trail. Let Cheeky and dab dab go and do them thing.
Yeah.
Nobody want my 2 pieces of chicken
Yeah, man, right.
over the shop. Yeah man,
Over
thanks
the
much.
shop.
Yeah.